Hello, welcome to another project update. So this is probably just gonna be a quick video, because I didn't have very much time to do anything today. Um, I was pretty busy with other stuff, like IRL stuff. So anyway, so here's a little bit of stuff that I did. I did fix this. Well, not it's kind of a band-aid fix. I deleted a bunch of keyframes to rely on interpolation, but I fixed this spin attack animation. So before there was like this error where around this point in the animation, the grabber would like rotate the wrong direction. The same with the chainsaw. And there's a bunch of little errors in the animation, like these hydraulics aren't lining up. Then I need to find a way to fix that, but it's not a priority right now. Yeah, that's one thing that I did today. Um, Another thing that I did is I implemented the beginnings of a like a phase system for the boss. So originally the boss had a fixed move speed, a fixed rotation speed, and a fixed like a quick turn rotation speed. Hold on a second, I forget. Kind of messed something up here. Where is it? There we go. So the plan is for this boss to have three phases: phase one, phase two, and a phase three. And the behavior will be pretty much the same in all three, except for differences in like move speed and rotation speed, and also which animations will play during, or which attack animations will play during those phases. So in the first phase, there will only be three attacks. In the second phase, there'll be five attacks. In the last one, it'll have all those attacks from phase two, but with the spin attack added on. Um, this is me hard coding stuff because I'm too lazy to set up the so Godot does support like arrays in here. The problem is I don't really like how I don't really like how the Godot editor handles like a one-dimensional or just arrays in general. Like I just find them hard to work with. So I could just edit the script in hard code, and I don't really care that much making this edit about making this easy to edit because I'm pretty sure that this script is only ever going to be used on this boss. But yeah, let's I haven't actually tested this yet, but we'll see if the phase system works. So current phase is on one. Let's see if it crashes actually. No, runs just fine. Oh, hold on a second. That is 100% chance is way too high. Let's do 10% chance. Well, that was highly unlikely. Okay. Now it'll only do basic flame, the one flamethrower attack, the horizontal chop animation with the chainsaw, and the horizontal chop animation with the grabber arm. Those are the only three animations aside from the grab animation that will play. If I switch over to phase two, hopefully it doesn't crash. So now it played a new animation, which is like it was another flamethrower attack, but it kind of goes like sideways. Oh, ah, okay. Some sort of okay. All right, so that was an index out of bounds array. So clearly my code has a little issue with dealing with the arrays that I didn't count for. I just want to see where real quick. I have a feeling that might crash at some point. Oh, yep, that would do it. That would do it. Yep, that makes sense. What a silly error. Alright, so I did the horizontal attack there. That's one of the new animations in phase 2. If I do phase 3, let's see if it'll do the spin attack at some point. Aha, there it is. Okay, so there currently isn't any code inside of the boss that will like change it between phases. But the thing is, the way that I intend to handle phases is I intend to have a secondary script that'll be like the not so much a control, not so much a script for the boss itself, but a script for like the, I guess you could say the scenario. There'll be kind of like a like an objective thing where it'll. So this is like an exported variable, right? And it can be manipulated through code very easily. I guess it's readable right here. I can edit. It's yes. Well, I'll have like this other script where it like, if you kill the boss, it'll like resurrect it and put it in phase 2, and if you do it again, it'll resurrect it and put it in phase 3. And in between each phase, it'll put the we'll put the phase or the current state into the cutscene state, which is like a state the boss has where it does literally nothing, and I can just move it around in a cutscene. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.